Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in this fix guys, if you're having the issue where of course in this case we have a Samsung TV as you can see here, and if the screen is black or in other words, if your screen suddenly went black or blank but it's still on, meaning you can still hear at times sounds like from TV or menu options, I'm going to show you how to fix this particular issue on your Samsung TV. All right, so especially for those newer Samsung TVs, it's just very simple. What you're gonna do guys is you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna plug the TV from the power outlet. So go ahead and unplug the TV. Give me a second while I unplug this device. All right guys, so I've unplugged the television set. While it's still unplugged, you're gonna go ahead and I want you to pay close attention right where you have the Samsung logo on the front. As you can see right over here, it's probably a little bit difficult to see. In this particular TV set, it's on the front right, usually where you can actually see that red LED. While it's unplugged, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna feel right in this area beneath the Samsung logo. You're gonna feel a button. All right, and this particular button is actually the power button. You'll know it's the power button because it's a very round and squishy button that can be pressed. So go ahead and press, and you're gonna hold this button and you're gonna count to about 60. So you can actually go ahead and count. So you can go ahead 1, 2, 3 at that pace and keep holding until you reach 60. Now let me explain what you're doing. You're actually draining the residual energy from the TV or power cycling the TV, because by pressing it while it's unplugged, it will drain all the power. You're gonna let go. All right, and once you let go guys, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna plug the TV back in. All right, so once you plug the TV back in, you can go ahead guys and power the TV on again, or try to power the TV on. So what should happen is that the TV should power up as you see here. All right, so one of the things I've found out over time with this problem is that you have to try in some cases several times. Sometimes or most times one try will do, but in some cases require a few tries. So I advise if it doesn't power on and it remains black or blank, to go ahead and repeat the process. Remember, you must use the physical button on the TV. You cannot use the remote, so do not use the remote. It must be done from the TV itself while it's unplugged, and press and hold that button and actually do what I just showed. If all else fails, or you have tried several times and you do not want to continue with the trying, what you can do again is to go ahead guys and unplug the TV, and you're gonna leave the TV unplugged overnight. It can actually help with draining the residual energy more efficiently, although it's not really necessary. So you're gonna unplug, and of course you'll leave the TV overnight and or a few hours, and then after a few hours you're gonna come back and try the TV again. All right, you could even combine the method of pressing the button for the 60 seconds or so, and then keep it plugged out. You can leave it like overnight, and in the morning you can try it again. Doing all of this should fix the issue with the black screen problem. And to solve this problem, it's a pretty common issue, and of course it happens on almost every TV set. It happens from time to time, so it's something that you can actually fix by doing as I showed, by unplugging and pressing and holding the power button. You may have to do it several times, some people 5, some people even 10 times or so. So hope that was useful, and see you in the next one guys. Bye.